Have you ever seen professional photos in magazines and wondered how they got their photos to look so good? Well, in this brand new course, we'll learn all the techniques that professional retouchers use to make their photos look flawless. In Retouching 101, you'll learn the best workflow for retouching. You'll know all the steps that you need to take to retouch your images from start to finish. You'll start off by learning the best methods for developing raw images that come straight off your camera. These general edits will give you a great starting point as you begin editing. With your image developed, you'll learn how to remove any blemish, acne, moles, even a flaky sunburn. We'll also learn how to dodge and burn, which is the incredible art of reshaping highlights and shadows. You'll know how to do it, where to do it, and why you should do it. Then you'll learn how to enhance teeth to make them look nice and bright, and how to smooth and recolor the lips. And of course, we can't forget the eyes. You'll learn amazing techniques to bring out their full beauty. To finish the course, we'll combine everything you've learned and complete 2 start-to-finish projects, so you can solidify all of the important concepts that you've learned. Throughout this entire course, I've made sure to keep everything nice and simple so that anyone can follow along. You'll know why you're making each edit, so that you can take what you've learned in this course and immediately apply it to your own photos. I'm so excited to share all of this with you. I can't wait to see you in the course.